What's going on, everybody? It's Connor here with Connor Clary Fishing. We were at camp day before camo trail stop number 3 at Mazingo. Just got done rigging rods up, and the guys are out here playing football, actually. One-handed catch, something slight.
Hey, you definitely gotta send that one to me. I snagged out of the air like OBJ.
But that's what we got going on right now. As you can see, everybody's kind of chilling out. This is where the magic's been happening. Pause that so I don't get a copyright strike. As you guys can see, it's getting serious. We've got everybody. I got all my stuff put up, but here's a little preview of what I'll be throwing tomorrow. And yeah, man, it's gonna be a good day. It's gonna rain for a little bit. I think the rain's gonna come in quicker than anticipated, so we're gonna get rained on probably. But I don't think it'll be that bad. I think we're gonna catch them tomorrow. Every time I say that, I've skunked. So I'm gonna prove myself wrong. I think we're gonna catch them tomorrow. And hopefully catch some fish for you guys. So yeah. Without further ado, it'll probably cut to me fishing tomorrow morning. So good morning, everybody. Just now getting on the water. And we got to do a little repair this morning. Well, guys, the motor's done for. The prop shaft that holds the prop is bent, so it won't spin. The motor won't let it spin, at least, I guess. I just tried to use it with no luck. So that's awesome. With no luck. So that's awesome. I don't know, I'll probably have to warranty it out, of course. Man, that really sucks, guys. But if not, I want to have to fish all day without a motor. And first fish of the day. On the Kayak. Boom. What's going on, dude? Because like it'll power on and everything, but it won't spin. And it won't spot lock, it won't do nothing. It'll turn, but it won't spin. And then to top it all off, as I was pedaling over here, steering cable's broke. So now I'm at the mercy of the wind. And my paddle, or my net, I guess. I caught one 12-incher literally as soon as I launched my kayak. Right by the ramp.
I got a giant walleye on a big rat wake bait this morning.
Really?
Yeah, it was crazy. Not trying to be sitting right here in front of you. My motor's just bound up. Won't stand either right now.
No, you're good.
Oh, did you guys have a good Memorial Day?
Huh?
You guys have a good Memorial Day?
Yeah, it wasn't bad. Yeah, we did. There we go. That's a decent one. On the dice ball, baby. Look at that tail. He lost me a few inches there, but no biggie. Popped right out, of course. Look at that. Lost me about a ½ inch on the tail, but we'll take it. I don't know what this is, but it's big. Oh my God. Oh my God. What are you? What are you? What are you? What the fuck? What am I fighting? I swear to God, if this is a fucking catfish. No. Too loose. Oh my God. Come on. Come on. What the fuck? Fighting fucking Moby Dick over here. Oh my God. Guys, I don't know what the fuck this is, but it is fighting. Every time I almost get it up, it shoots straight back down to the bottom. And I am on 10 pound test, so I can't horse this thing in. Oh my God, I just caught like a 30-pound fucking flathead. Oh my God. That is a flathead. Oh no. That pissed him off. That pissed him off. Oh my God. Oh shit. Come on, dude. Fuck. Ugh. Holy shit. Well, it's not big bass, but big old kitty cat. We'll take it. That thing is fucking crazy. Let's see if we can get it to go on the leaderboard. Hey, bud. Hey, bud. There he goes. On the fucking Ned rig too. Thank you.
I was about to come take your picture, but it looks like you got enough fish.
I didn't know if I was gonna get it, dude.
Yeah, that was huge.
That thing was fighting.
Yeah. That looks like a lot of fun. I'd take one of those right now.
Yeah.
Did you weigh her?
I didn't. I don't have a scale. I wish I did.
Me neither. She looked big though.
I'd say at least probably 30.
Yeah, probably.
It was a big girl. Well, I'm done. That's it for me. I just knocked my identifier into the lake.